Okay, today, boys and girls, we are going to be still using our I can statement of adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, but today we're going to do subtraction. And the strategy is the same as with addition. We divide our paper into fourths, and the first step is to find the LCD. The fractions I'm going to use today are 2/5 minus 1/3. Now remember, with LCD, that means we're listing the multiples of our denominators, so 5 and 3. Now we always start with the smaller denominator because we might not have to go as far on the bigger one. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and it looks like I'm out of space. Hopefully I don't need to go any farther. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So then I'm going to look and see if I have a common denominator so far, and I do. I see it's 15. So my LCD will be 15. So then we come over to the next quadrant, and we are going to be doing equivalent fractions to the fractions that we have already have. So 2/5 and 1/3, we're both going to convert to denominators of 15 so that we have a common denominator. So 5 times what gives you 15? We come back over to our list of multiples to help us out, and we count down to 15. 1, 2, 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3, because whatever we do to the bottom or denominator we do to the top or the numerator, gives us 6/15. Now 3 times what gives us 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5, so we do the numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. So now my equivalent fractions are 6/15 and 5/15. Now down here is where we add or subtract our new equivalent fractions. Today we're subtracting, so 6/15 minus 5/15, or we can also do it horizontally. Okay. 6 minus 5 is 1, and your denominator stays the same. 6 minus 5 is 1, and my denominator stays the same. Either way I choose to write it, I get the same answer. Now I come over to my simplify. And today's simplifying is easy because if our numerator is 1, remember our rule, 1 and done. If our numerator is 1, we're done. And that also can work if we have our factor rainbows. I would have a 1 and a 1, and that's it. 1, 15, 3, and 5. If your only common factor is 1, you're done, which means your answer is already in simplest form. So 2/5 minus 1/3 equals 1/15.